So I just seasoned my chicken with roasted garlic and pepper, seasoning, and then I put olive oil on it. So I use this, and I'm just gonna rub it into the chicken with my hands. So I just flipped them over, seasoned both sides, and I'm gonna let the chicken marinate for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get my mom's boyfriend to barbecue it for me. Okay, so same sort of deal as the chicken. I just added the same seasoning, the same olive oil. I sliced up the sweet potatoes, drizzled the oil, and then the seasoning on top, and just kind of used my hands and mushed it all together. So I'm gonna cook these at 400 degrees. 20 minutes, I'm gonna stir, and then probably about another 15-20 minutes. So I did the same thing for my asparagus and broccoli. Same seasoning with olive oil. I'm literally obsessed with that seasoning. It's so good. I highly recommend you guys try it if you haven't already. So I just cut up some cucumber and carrots, and that's gonna be my last snack at work every day this week. This is what it's looking like so far. I just need to add the chicken. Okay, so I just added the chicken to each of these. I divided 4 chicken breasts between 5 days. So this is my breakfast. I have my cereal, my almond milk, and some blueberries to throw on top. I'm gonna have this for my first snack, this for my last snack, or whatever, vice versa. I have my lemon water there, and then I just have my lunch. So yeah, that's what I'm working with.